Alright, so this is going to be another video of this fan here, and this is a Minka Aire. And this one unfortunately has 3 speeds. Because of the wall control here, it has 3 speeds. So yeah. And this one is white. And the one out in the hall was oak colored. So yeah, we're going to demonstrate the lighting. Dim it. There we go. We're going to start with low. I like the light for that fan. It looks cool. He's medium. I sleep with the fan off most of the time because when I sleep with it on, it makes my skin dry. Oh, it didn't work. I gotta push it again. There we go. I think I didn't push hard enough. Yeah, there we go. This looks like speed 4, like the fan out there, but he's hot. It does wobble a little bit, but that's okay. It doesn't buzz, which is good. I don't like buzzy ceiling fans. Let's reverse it. Oh, there's no reverse switch. I think it might be on top of the fan, or there's not one on this fan. Well, we need to replace the wall control. He is off. Alright, that's it. Everyone, bye-bye.